Understanding lack of trust. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial phrase in interpersonal relationships: lack of trust. Understanding this concept is vital, as it's a cornerstone of how we interact with others. So, let's get started and explore what it truly means to lack trust. Lack of trust is a phrase that suggests a deficit or absence of trust between individuals or within organizations. Trust is the firm belief in the reliability, truth, or ability of someone or something. When there's a lack of it, doubts arise, and relationships or systems can begin to falter. To grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. In a friendship, if one person does not believe the other will keep a secret, there is a lack of trust. A team may underperform if the members have a lack of trust in their leader's decisions. These scenarios highlight the practical implications of the phrase in everyday life. Rebuilding trust is a delicate process. It involves communication, understanding, and consistent actions over time. Acknowledging mistakes, showing genuine remorse, and a commitment to change are crucial steps in this journey. A lack of trust can lead to various negative outcomes, such as stress, conflict, and inefficiency. It affects not just personal relationships but also professional environments, disrupting teamwork and productivity. We hope this exploration helps you understand the lack of trust and its significance in our daily interactions. Remember, trust is a bridge that connects us, and maintaining it is essential for healthy relationships. Thank you for watching, and keep learning with us.